Uganda is a landlocked country in East Africa, bordered by Kenya to the east, Tanzania and Rwanda to the south, the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the west, and South Sudan to the north. It lies on the equator and has a diverse geography, including mountains, plateaus, lakes, and rivers. Uganda is a lower middle-income country with a market-based economy rich in natural resources. It has one of the fastest-growing and youngest populations in the world. Uganda's economy is growing rapidly, with average GDP growth of 5.3% in the 5 years prior to the COVID-19 pandemic. Uganda's main exports are gold, coffee, cocoa beans, raw sugar, and fish. Its main imports are petroleum products, machinery and equipment, chemicals, and pharmaceuticals. Uganda's main trading partners are Kenya, the United Arab Emirates, Italy, Germany, and Tanzania. Uganda's main industries are agriculture, manufacturing, and services. Agriculture is the largest sector of the economy, accounting for about 25% of GDP and employing over 70% of the workforce. The main agricultural products are coffee, tea, cotton, tobacco, and food crops. The manufacturing sector accounts for about 15% of GDP and employs about 10% of the workforce. The main manufacturing products are food and beverages, textiles, cement, and steel. The services sector accounts for about 60% of GDP and employs about 20% of the workforce. The main services are trade, tourism, and financial services. Uganda faces a number of geographical and economic problems, including limited infrastructure. Uganda's infrastructure, including roads, railways, and electricity, is underdeveloped. This makes it difficult for businesses to operate and for goods and people to move around the country. High levels of corruption. Corruption is a major problem in Uganda, which makes it difficult to do business and discourages investment. Poverty and unemployment. Poverty and unemployment rates are high in Uganda, particularly among young people. Climate change. Uganda is vulnerable to the effects of climate change, such as droughts and floods. This can have a negative impact on agriculture and other economic sectors. There are a number of specific solutions that could be implemented to address the economic problems faced by Uganda. These include improving the business environment. The government could improve the business environment by reducing bureaucracy, streamlining regulations, and enforcing contracts. Promoting investment. The government could attract more investment by offering tax breaks and other incentives to foreign investors. Developing human capital. The government could invest in education and training to develop the skills of the workforce. Expanding social safety nets. The government could expand social safety nets to provide support to the poor and unemployed. In conclusion, Uganda's economy is growing rapidly and has the potential to become a major player in the East African region. However, the government needs to continue to address the challenges of poverty, unemployment, corruption, and infrastructure development in order to sustain economic growth and improve the lives of its citizens.